Good morning, students. Today we are going to study lesson number 5, Mass Media and History. Refer to page number 32. Now we can think about it like in the olden days how the news used to spread to the other parts of the state. We can think over it. Therefore, we have to study today what is the meaning of mass media. Mass means what? Group of people, and media means what? The way or the means of communication. Therefore, mass media, it is the field of mass communication. Now, through the media or through the newspapers, radios or televisions, we can send some information to a very far away destination or far away place. In olden days, we can see that the order of the king, it used to pass to the common people. A crier would run in the street and he used to beat the drums and he used to shout and he used to say the orders of the king. Therefore, the news used to spread very easily by the word of mouth. Now, let us learn something about the history of mass media. Now, as we know that in India, printing was not taken place. When the Britishers came, after the arrival of the Britishers only, print technology and newspapers were introduced in India. At that time only people started printing news through newspaper. Therefore, we can say newspapers became the first mass medium of circulating information and knowledge amongst the people. Newspaper, what it provides? It provides various local, national and international news. Therefore, newspaper is a publication, and what it prints the news, then editorials means main subjects are being highlighted, then people's opinion or people's view, then entertaining means what? A separate supplement is being removed by the newspaper to entertain the people, or other supplementary content. Now, some of them are being printed and distributed regularly at a fixed time. Now, newspapers, what they provide? Local, national and international news. Therefore, the newspaper, it becomes a historical documents which record the current events. Why it is called as a historical document? Because if you want some news of a particular date, you'll try to retrieve that newspaper of that particular date, and you can see that while reading the news that what events took place on that particular day. Now, let us study precursors of newspapers. Precursors means what? Before newspaper, how the news used to be spread to the common people. Now, in Egypt, it was a custom that they used to place inscriptions with the royal decrees. Decrees means what? Orders at the public place. Then, in Roman Empire, the royal decrees were being written on paper, and then it was being distributed in the all regions. Then Emperor Ashoka also, he also had this same method of placing the inscriptions with the royal decrees or the orders at the public place. So these all contain the information of the various events which were taking place in the nation or in the state itself. Then Julius Caesar, newspaper's name Acta Diurna. What used to be printed in this newspaper? It meant that the act of everyday used to be placed at the public places in Rome. Therefore, it was a very effective way to convey or to give royal commands to the people. Then in England, handouts were being distributed, giving information on the important events or about the war. Then the ambassadors of the king. Ambassadors of the king means what? The king's people, main people used to be posted at the various places, and they used to send some important news to the royal court. Now, let us learn about the newspaper which was being started in India. Now, Bengal Gazette. Now we'll study about this particular newspaper. Now, the first English newspaper of India was being printed on 29th January 1780, and it was named as the Calcutta General Advertiser, or it was also being called as the Bengal Gazette. And who started it? James Augustus Hickey, an Irish gentleman. Then next paper comes the Darpan. Now the Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai. And who was the editor? Editor means what? The senior most person of this newspaper who goes through all the articles before it is printed in the newspaper. Now Bal Shastri Jambekar was the editor of Darpan. Now the news printed in Darpan, what used to be printed? It was used to print about the political, economic, social and cultural events of that particular time. Now what else used to be reported in this particular newspaper? We can see that expenditure from the three administrative of East India Company was been printed. Three East India Company of the administrative division, as you must be remembering, it was Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata. Now the danger of the Russian attack on the nation, then the appointment of the committee for what? For the cleanliness of the city, then remarriage of the Hindu widows, and a committee was been appointed for the cleanliness. And the inception of the theatre. Inception means what? Beginning of the theatre at Kolkata. And one more, the achievements of Raja Ram Mohan Roy in England. Such news was been printed about the historical events during those periods. Now let us learn about Prabhakar. Now this newspaper was been started by whom? Bhau Mahajan. Now what was been written? The history of the French Revolution. As you know, the French Revolution, they gave the full world about the equality, brotherhood, liberty to the world. And Shatpatre, the letters were being written by whom? Lokhit Wadi, or you can say Gopal Hari Deshmukh. And what it aimed? It aimed at creating social awareness, which was also being published through this newspaper. Now the next newspaper is Dhanodaya. Dhanodaya, what it printed? It printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. So the honor of printing an illustration in an Indian newspaper for the first time, it went to Dhanodaya. And what else it was been printed? The news of the installation of telegraph. Telegraph means what? Electronic communication was faster through telegraph during those time. It used to send the electrical transmitting or the news, you can see through the Dhanodaya. Then the news of the starting of the railways in India, that was printed in Dhanodaya under the title of what? Chakya Masuba. Masuba means what? Giant. Means Masuba with the wheels. It also printed the Indian War of Independence of 1857. Such was the importance of these newspapers. Newspapers at those times were very important medium to create a social awareness amongst the people. Now Indu Prakash. In the Indu Prakash, it supported what? Widow remarriages. Then Deen Bandhu, a newspaper, it represented the masses. Masses means what? About the people of the Indian society. Bahujan Samaj, it was been started by whom? By Mahatma Jyotirao Phule and his close associate or a very close friend. His name was Krishna Rao Bhalekar. Now we get to know about all these news through the various newspapers. Now Kesari and Maratha. Now Kesari and Maratha were the important two newspapers which were being printed in Marathi, and it stands for the history of the Indian newspaper before independence. Now Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gandhar Tilak, they started these newspapers when? In 1881. What they spoke through this newspaper? They spoke about the social and political issues of that particular period. Now Kesari, it began to publish the articles about the nationwide situation and the books in the native language. Native language means what? According to the area, their regional language was being published, and the politics in England. Then we can see that through 21st century, newspapers continue to fulfill an important role. Therefore, newspapers are being considered as the fourth volume of democracy. How fourth volume? How newspaper comes the fourth volume? The first column of democracy is what? Judiciary. Judiciary is related to the court. Then we have the Legislature, we have the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Then we have the executive, where the council of the ministers, they execute or implement the policy, and therefore newspaper comes at the fourth column of democracy. Now let us learn something about the magazines and journals. You all are acquainted or familiar with magazines and journals. Now there are periodical publication means what? It is been printed weekly or bi-weekly or monthly or bi-monthly, quarterly, 6 monthly, or annually, or you can say yearly. So and some chronicles or some magazines are being published at no fixed time. Therefore, Bal Shastri Jambekar started the first monthly magazine in Marathi, and it was been named as Digdarshan. Amongst the periodical, Pragati, now it is not being published as a journal. That was been started in 1929, and who was the editor who edited it? Trimbak Shankar Shejwalkar, he edited it. And what he used to write? He used to write about the historiographical journal of the Maharashtra history and the social movements which took place in Maharashtra. Now currently there are many other periodicals which is devoted to the Indian history, like Marathi journals such as Bhartiya Itihas आणि Sanskriti and Marathwada Itihas Parishad Patrika. It is a good examples of the Indian history. Now in this lesson we have learned the definition of mass media, then history of mass media, then how the information used to pass during the olden times. Then we have learned about various newspapers which were being invented in India, that is Bengal Gazette. Then we have the Darpan, Prabhakar, Nanode, then Kesari and Marathas. Then we have also touched the magazines and journals. And if you have any query, kindly contact. The next part of the lesson will be touched in the second part.